Hi, I am Dr. Shahid Abbas and I am consultant Allergy and Immunology in BR Medical Suites, Dubai. 40% population of the world is suffering from allergies. And these are the allergies due to the environmental pollutions such as pollens, dust, molds, chemicals like insecticides, pesticides in water, air and foods. Allergy is transmitted from the parents to the children. If one parent is allergic, 50% of the children, that is 2 out of the 4 children, will be developing allergies. And if both the parents are allergic, 3 out of 4 children or 70% of the children will be developing the allergies. Allergy can be compared to the iceberg, that the tip of the iceberg we can see, but the main iceberg is below the water level. What is at the tip of the iceberg of allergy? The diseases that we diagnose, like allergic rhinitis, like hay fever, asthma, eczema. Now we know when the patient comes, patient is suffering from hay fever. But when actually we see the patient and ask the questions, he's having the different problems and different diseases. Like he'll be having a headache, he'll be irritable, he can be aggressive, he will be feverish, he will have stomach ache, he will be tired, fatigued, pains and aches in the body, he will be having depression. So we will not treat only the hay fever or asthma, we have to take care of other symptoms as well. Allergy is a disease which progresses with time, both in severity and in frequency. What I mean by this, a person having a hay fever, occasionally sneezing sometimes once or twice a month, then slowly he develops it all the year round and the attacks become severer and severer. Then after some time, the hay fever converts into asthma. So a person starting with the hay fever, he later on develops asthma. There are 2 types of allergies. One is the apparent allergy, the other is hidden allergies. What is apparent allergy? Apparent allergy is an allergy where you know the cause. For example, you take an egg and you develop hives. So you know the cause, and if you know the cause, you can treat it even. You can prevent the allergic attacks by not having the egg. But the most important thing is hidden allergies. And what are the hidden allergies? A person is coming to the doctor with the complaints about allergies. Doctor gives a long list of foods which should be avoided. Now the patient, he eats those foods, still he's having the problems, and if he's avoiding those foods, still he's having the problems. So this is in fact a hidden food allergies, and it is important to diagnose, because if we don't treat it, the patient will have severe anaphylactic problems and severe reactions. So it is important to diagnose and treat the hidden food allergies. Allergy is not something that you put a stethoscope and write the medicines and it is gone. Allergy is something where you have to find out the cause of allergy and treat it. There are 2 types of treatment. One is symptomatic treatment, the other is treatment of the cause. Symptomatic treatment is, for example, if a person is having asthma, you give the Ventolin tablets, Ventolin inhalers, bronchodilators, and relieve that effect of asthma temporarily. But it is important to treat the cause of asthma, which is allergy to something, say allergy to pollens. So when you treat the cause of allergy, the effect is the treatment, the cure is permanent and lasting one. But if you treat the symptoms, then it is only the temporary relief. I'll recommend that if you are having sneezing, blocked nose, or difficulty of breathing or breathlessness or unexplained headaches, you must see a doctor and get it properly diagnosed and treated. You may be suffering from allergy. It is better to diagnose it at an earlier stage and get the proper treatment at the proper time than to have the complications later on.